Hello everyone, welcome to one of our lessons on how to build a VBA macro that works on multiple files. And in our lesson today, we are going to show to see how we can use this macro and make it more accessible from other files and other documents. So, what I mean by more accessible, that when you open the macro like that, when you have macros, you can run and you can get actually this file. So what is actually happening that we have our macro stored actually in this file, and without this file actually we cannot access it. So every time we need to use it, we have to open this file. But if you open like Word and you try to add some few things from here, like from developer, and you open the macro, you will find it empty because we don't have access to it. It is stored in another file. So if you created even normal document like a new Word file and you open that file, it will show you the same, that we don't have the macro there. So how to make it accessible actually, that whatever document we create should be able to find this macro and to be able to run it. So in order to do this, first thing, we have to prepare our file to make it like clean, looks fine. So we have actually to delete it. And the layout, okay. So this is from the side that we have our macro. So for example, we have a button, but this button we don't have it anymore. So we can remove this one. And we have actually our test files. This test files, this is the one that we used in the beginning of our work. So we can actually get rid of it. So no. Now we have actually our form, and we have actually this call that opens our form, and that's it. So we can save this, save the Word file itself, and now we need to make this one accessible. So how to make it? The idea of making it accessible from many documents or all the documents, that we need to add it as like a file we have here. And once you have it, you can actually, whatever document, you can access it. So for example, we have templates here, and from this template, we can use it to access the file. So this is the one that has, so we have to save a copy of the address. And in order to add this, we need to stick to our file, but we need to make it as a template. So we will go to the file and click save as, and from this one, we're going actually to save it, like browse this one, yeah, and then choose a different template, which is macro enable template. And in this macro enable template, you will find a new path that you have been directed to, and because this one is for the templates, but we're going actually to save it here, and these templates are in the path that we copied from the previous one. And once we press this one, we will find to able the templates, we will add it, and let's check from our developer. You can add this one as a template and press OK. So we have already, because this is a file, so let's close this file actually and do the same for any other file that we don't have access to it. So this one is a normal Word file without macros even. So let's check the developer tab, Word add-ins, and you'll find it. Insert the logo tool. You check in that the checkbox, and once checked it, you press OK. And now go to macros, and that's it. You can see now that we have the show form macro, and once you run it, it will show the form. So it is actually like accessing it from as Word add-in. And if you don't want to like access it, or you want to remove access from this one, you just uncheck this one and press OK. You can even remove it at all by checking it and then remove, and that's it. This is a way that you can access the macro from like any file. So just delete this one. If you even open the Word without even creating a file, you can head to the developer. It is just a little annoying that you can find it in the Word add-ins, so you have to make sure that you have the developer tab. So insert this one, the edit, and we got the file. We got the form actually. We can run the macro. We can even get the image from that place, and so on. So that's it for our lesson today. I hope that you found it useful. Please like, share, and subscribe, because this will help me release more free tools. And thanks for watching.